everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Silent Steve from Garten of Ban Ban. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with a Silent Steve, let's begin by making the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a circle for the eye. Then I'm going to leave quite a bit of space, and I'm going to make another circle for the other eye right over here. I'm going to make a circle shape right here, and I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to draw a circle shape, color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come up here for the mouth. Then I'm going to make another line that's going to come down. I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and then I'm going to bring this line up to here. I'm going to make a little V shape here, and one right here for some teeth. And then for the tongue, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to make 2 points on each side. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes down here. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve right around up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to come over and then down here. Then, starting right here, we're going to make the body. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down, and then it's going to come around to here. And then I'm going to make another line that's going to curve down to here. Then I'm going to bring this line up and over to here. And then I'm going to bring this line down and connect it to here. Now, starting here, he has these kind of like wing shapes, or maybe kind of like a cobra hood. So I'm going to bring this line out to here. Then I'm just going to bring this down and in, and just kind of make this kind of wavy. I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to come out and then up. And then we're just going to make this kind of come down and in and sort of wavy. Now, on top of here, he's got a few little horns. So I'm going to make one that's going to come up, it's going to go over, and come back down. I'll make a nice big pointed one here. And one that's going to come up here and then down. Next, I'm just going to draw a few little lines in here, just for some details. So we're just going to draw a couple little lines all around here. And I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to draw a couple little lines. And there you go. There is your drawing of Silent Steve from Garten of Ban Ban. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.